Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn all about file organization and management in Windows. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this video will help you keep your files neat and tidy. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about folders and directories. Think of folders as containers where you can store your files. Directories are just another name for folders. You can create folders to organize your documents, pictures, music, and more. To create a folder, right-click on your desktop or inside any directory. Select New and then Folder. Give it a name and press Enter. Next, let's discuss file names and extensions. A file name is what you call your file, like vacation photos. The extension, like JPG or .docs, tells your computer what type of file it is. Rename a file, right-click on it and select Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Windows uses a hierarchical structure to organize files. This means you can have folders within folders, creating a tree-like structure. For example, you might have a documents folder with subfolders for work and personal. There are different types of files in Windows. System files are essential for your computer to run, while application files are used by programs. Then there are your personal files like documents, photos, and music. You can see the type of a file by looking at its extension or by right-clicking and selecting Properties. Files serve various functions such as storing data and organizing information. For example, a Word document stores text, while a photo file stores images. Double-click on a file to open it and see its contents. You can view your files and directories using this PC and File Explorer. This PC shows all your drives and main folders, while File Explorer lets you navigate through your files. Click on this PC to see your drives. Use File Explorer to browse through your folders and files. Creating files and folders is easy. Right-click, select New, and choose the type of file or folder you want to create. To select files, click on them, hold down the Control key to select multiple files, or use Shift to select Arrange. Click on the first file, hold down Control and click on additional files to select them. You can move or copy files using drag and drop or keyboard shortcuts. To move, use Ctrl plus X. To cut, and Ctrl plus V to paste. To copy, use Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. Select the file, press Ctrl plus X to cut, navigate to the destination folder and press Ctrl plus V to paste. When you create or edit a file, don't forget to save your data. Use Ctrl plus S to save quickly. You can also click File and then Save. To rename a file, right-click on it and select Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Right-click on the file, select Rename, type the new name and press Enter. To delete a file, right-click on it and select Delete. If you accidentally delete a file, you can restore it from the recycle bin. Right-click on the file and select Delete, and it will move to the recycle bin. To restore, open the recycle bin, right-click on the file and select Restore. And that's it. With these tips, you'll be a file organization pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.